With AI now doing everything from writing books to marketing content and analyzing data, do you ever worry that all this time and energy that you're putting in your college education may not be worthwhile? That all this investment in your career could just be derailed by some unexpected market shock or maybe an economic downturn? But what if I told you that there's a strategy you can employ in college that can potentially safeguard you against that risk? Hello everyone, this is Professor Ikram, and in today's video I'd like to share the results of a very interesting research paper with you titled "Do Double Majors Face Less Risk? An Analysis of Human Capital Diversification." In this paper, the authors ask a rather simple question. Can diversifying your human capital, similar to diversifying a financial portfolio, help shield you from labor market volatility that could otherwise torpedo your income? To find out, the researchers analyzed data on double majors versus single majors from two massive surveys, the American Community Survey and the National Survey of College Graduates. By modeling earning shocks based on geographic and time patterns within each major, they could precisely measure how double majors fared compared to their single major counterparts. The findings of the study are eye-opening. The researchers found that on average, double majors experience 56% less earnings risk and volatility from labor market shocks compared to single majors. Perhaps more interestingly, the further apart the two majors are in terms of subject matter, the greater the benefits. In other words, individuals whose two majors spanned different broad disciplines, like psychology and accounting, they demonstrated even greater resilience to earning shocks versus students who double majored in two disciplines that were related, like say accounting and finance. Why? Well, the researchers point to two key factors. First, the diversity of knowledge and skills makes double majors more adaptable across a wide array of occupations that may be impacted differently by economic forces. In fact, analyzing data from the Occupational Information Network, the researchers found that double majors do indeed tend to work in jobs requiring a broader mix of high-level skills compared to their single major peers. Second, double majors possess an intrinsic option value. If one vocational path gets rocked by a downturn, they can more readily switch to pursuing opportunities tied to their other major's skill set until conditions improve. Backing this up, the study shows that double majors tend to be less concentrated in occupations directly related to each specific major, which gives them more flexibility. In contrast, single majors tend to be more tightly clustered in the obvious career paths for their bachelor's degree. All right, so what does this all mean for you? Well, if you are a young student or a career changer able to map out your educational path, you should probably consider doing a double major. The modest upfront investment of an extra year or two could provide a crucial hedge against earnings decline from unforeseen industry turmoil or economic turbulence over the full working life. And seemingly the magic lies in strategically combining two distantly related fields of study that give you a truly diversified set of skills and open up more career optionality. A psychology and finance pairing is just one example. Other powerful combinations could mix liberal arts with STEM, or maybe couple two very different STEM fields. More generally speaking, the findings of the paper highlight the importance of having a diverse set of knowledge and skills. This means that workers of all ages should continually seek opportunities to diversify and expand their skills over time, treating their human capital as a risky portfolio to be intelligently constructed and managed. These are just a few key insights from this research. The full study is definitely worth a read. Link is in the description below. All the best in your financial journey. This is Professor Ikram. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video useful, click the like button and subscribe to the channel. And feel free to ask any questions using the comment section. Happy learning.